Okay, now let's move with the exercise. Here are some problems which one I have solved for you. Now see for the first problem. In this first problem, here three angles measurements have given to you. You have to find out the fourth angle. Always remember in this type sums, which one angle you have to find out, consider it as any variable, and by applying the property of the quadrilateral you have to find out the angle. So as already you know, sum of the angles is 360 degree, internal as well as external. So you write in this way. From here you find out the value of x, which is the required fourth angle. Clear? Now in the next sum, here two adjacent angles have given to you. Already I have told you what are adjacent angles, side angles. So two adjacent angles have given to you and other two angles have given equal. So when other two angles have given equal, so if you consider one angle as x, automatically the other angle will be also x. Then with the same property, you write all the four angles is equal to 360 degree. From here you find out the value of x. Here the value of x is 80 degree. So that means if one angle is 80 degree, other angle will be also 80 degree. Now in the next sum, here one figure has drawn. Clear? Where P is given as the interior of angle AOB and MONP is a quadrilateral. Now angle AOB is given to you 40 degree. So angle AOB or angle MON is same. So one angle is already given to you. It is 40 degree. And it is given one condition that PM perpendicular on OA and PN perpendicular on OB. So if there is one line segment is perpendicular on other line segment, the measurement of the angle is always 90 degree. It's already known to you. So here from this quadrilateral, out of four angles, already you will get now three angles. 40 degree, 90 degree and 90 degree. You have to find out this fourth angle, which is MPN. Now with the same way, with the same property, you write down in this way, put the values and find out the angle MPN, which is 140 degree. Now on the basis of these three sums, I have given you three homeworks. Now you solve these three sums. It is very easy. Just you have to apply the property. Got it? So but students, be careful, as we are uploading the videos, I can't see you. So but I have faith on you that you will solve the sums by yourself. So if you have understood my teaching, what is quadrilateral, the two properties and these three sums, so I know you will be able to solve the sums. And when the school will reopen, I will see all the assignments in your copy should be in systematic way. So students, I think you have understood till today's work. Clear? So complete your assignments and get ready for the next class. Clear or not? Thank you.